Hey everyone, I'm Kel. Welcome back to the King Tony Workshop. Now, sometimes when you're working on a certain job, you'll need to use wire to either fix or perhaps bind something together. Now, typically what you would do is grab your wire, grab your pliers, put the two ends together and twist, and twist. Keep twisting, twist some more, and keep twisting until the job's finished. But how about a simpler solution? What I want to introduce to you today are our wire twisting pliers. They're simple and easy to use. All you need to do is grab your wire, grab the two ends, put them together, lock into position, and twist. And all you have to do is work with one hand and twist, and then you're finished. But how about if you actually need to undo the wiring? All you need to do, flip the switch, and it works in reverse. So there you have it. Don't work harder, work smarter. I'll see you guys next time.